Okay, today we have with us Ben, who recently just won the Phillip-Macquarie Warrant Challenge in the Poems 2.0 Stock Challenge 2014. Congratulations, Ben, for winning. Do share with us how you learned about the Poems 2.0 Stock Challenge and what made you join it.
Okay, actually I learned about the stock challenge through email, and I have positive experience with previous competition. So I decided to just take part, give it a try.
So Ben, take us through the up and downs of your journey in the challenge. And of course, most especially your lowest and the highest points.
Okay, the highest point would have been to my first week into my competition, where I was longing the Nikkei index and I make a decent 80% ROI. So this one actually set the stage for my eventual win. The lowest point was actually in the last 2 weeks of the competition, where I actually lost 70k in one of my trades. That was because I hold on to the trade for too long, even though it was losing. Then eventually it really tightened the race at the last part for me.
So Ben, what did you do or not do which resulted in your portfolio reaching these points?
So initially, my game plan was to concentrate mainly on the indices warrant, mainly the Hang Seng Index, Nikkei Index, and Straits Time warrants. Okay, this allowed me to firstly focus my effort on the analysis, and secondary to make my winning trade more profitable, as the indices warrant tend to be more volatile, so in their daily movement. Then thirdly, actually I have more flexibility in terms of choosing my warrants, because there's actually more offering available. So when I do not trade, when I find that the trend is uncertain, so I will just hold on until I see that there's a positive trend that I could ride on, then I will actually go into the market. So normally in cases that I have not certain, I will just continue to analyze and wait for trading opportunities. That's what I mainly do.
So what strategies do you adopt in the course of the challenge?
For me, mainly the key underlying philosophy is to follow the trend. The trend is your best friend, and letting my winning trade ride and cutting my loser trade fast. So basically, I mainly use technical analysis in making trading decisions and a combination of indicators to gauge the probability of either it's going to be long or short. So I will then decide based on this probability on which type of warrant to buy in terms of expiry and trade strike level.
Do you have to readjust or change strategies along the way? And was this outcome favorable?
No, I usually try to keep to the same trading philosophy and system. So basically, I didn't change much throughout the competition.
Okay, Ben, do you set targets on your return on investments? And did you meet these targets? Why or why not?
Okay, basically, I look at the technical analysis mainly to look at the support and resistance level. Then using this level, I will decide on a certain suitable risk to reward ratio. And I will try to stick to this support and resistance level as my entry and exit point as much as possible.
So finally, Ben, what was the one biggest factor which enabled you to turn in such a winning performance on your investments?
I think the key most important factor was to following the trend. As I said before, the trend is your best friend. Lastly, of course, just want to reiterate that if you let the winning trade ride and you cut your loser trade short, that will be the key to a successful trading for me personally.
Thank you, Ben, for your great insights, and once again, great job on winning the Phillip-Macquarie Challenge.